Hi guys, welcome back to Precisely Guessing. I'm here with Colton, and we got a new project again. We are gonna fix his sled, which last season we went out on a ride on it, and well, I was riding that one, he was riding this one, and it threw a code, and then
detonation.
And then lots of other stuff happened, and then it was broken. So he's gonna walk you through what's been done here.
So last season, season before last season, make the story short, I bought a 13 Assault. It was my first time getting into a newer sled, and the chassis was totaled. And so I bought this chassis here and did a whole swap. And somehow, right on the back here, if you look, right here, there's this. Oh, where is it at?
This is the oilers right here.
Yeah. So this oiler screw, oh no, it's right here with that little line on it.
Can't get the camera any further, but I see what you're saying.
Yep. So it was turned all the way down.
And this was the motor out of your 13, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And so
because this sled was the one that had the no good engine, and your other sled had the total chassis.
Yeah, I threw a rod out the side of the case.
Yeah.
So yeah, anyhow, that got turned down, and you can see all this discoloring on the rods.
From it getting nice and warm.
Yep, down here. Basically what happened is we threw a rod. You can see that.
That's a no bueno right there.
Yeah, and this one is just about to go out. You probably can't see, but
you can feel it.
Oh yeah. But luckily we shut it off fast enough to where nothing broke and sent a rod out the side of the case.
So I guess it's good we didn't ride it back to the truck then, huh?
Probably. But yeah, so that's what happened with this. So I took this motor in, had it all rebuilt, got a new crank, SP1 top end. I also had an exhaust valve here that was stuck shut or stuck open, and somehow that happened. I don't know how. And so, you know, it just wasn't breathing like it was supposed to either. But yeah, so I had the injectors gone through, the head gone through, obviously the valves here, and yeah, we got a new crank unit, got the oiler needle fixed, and had my throttle bodies gone through. I put a new, this is the old fuel filter, which actually isn't too bad. I blew some air through there. It's not too bad, but we got a new one of those. Remember to always replace these on newer sleds, because these things get junked up pretty fast. And
pretty sure mine's toasted because at higher RPMs
yep, you'll lean your motor out.
Yep,
you'll lean it out and blow it up that way. But thermostat's replaced, and now we're just gonna put it all back together.
And your plan is to do all of that today, right?
Yep.
It should be all back together today.
Yep.
Okay, well, you heard it, guys. I'm gonna set you up and you guys get to watch. Colton, tell everybody how it went and what's gonna happen. Is it gonna blow up?
How do you feel about this build?
Yeah.
Hopefully it starts.
Okay.
I will say.
How confident on a scale of 1 to 10 are you that it's gonna start no problem?
Like an 8.
You got
How
your
about that
computer
control?
set for break-in mode or no?
No.
How about that harness? Did you plug everything in?
I think so. I think so. This got plugged in, which I think.
Does it got any gas?
If it doesn't start, the first thing we'll do.
Let's depress that and
Wow.
No, well, the first thing we'll do is put ether in it, and then if it doesn't start,
see. You want to go straight to ether, huh?
It's fueling.
Yeah, no,
injected,
you're
it'll
right.
self-prime.
well,
Go big or go
okay,
home.
you're right. So then we'll unplug this. This here. This is like the
Safety thing, yeah.
Yeah. Kill
Well,
switch.
usually all you should have to do is
But-
just take something and push on it.
Well, so my 13 didn't have this, but it has a plug for it,
Mm-hmm.
and I think that I accidentally plugged it in.
Okay. All right. Well,
Now you can check for spark.
Okay. Well, here we go. This might be an issue. Okay.
you want some zip? Oh, okay.
And start on first pull. First pull.
Good try, dude.
Third time's a charm.
Well, the fuel system's got prime, so it might take a few. Oh, the light's coming on.
There we go.
It's gonna fire. The light's coming on.
Well, yeah, but my Skidoo, the light would come on, but one of the safeties was messed up.
Oh my god, it has so much compression now.
Why'd you plug that in if it didn't have it?
Because he puts pickers on his helmet and they go. Hey, hold on. Yep.
Okay.
So it's just a feature whether you want it or not. If you unplugged it, I bet you it'd just be fine. And just start.
Well, yeah, when the circuit it closes the circuit when
And it
there's
grounds it
nothing.
out,
Yeah.
so it's- yeah.
That.
Okay.
Yeah. So pro tip for any snowmobiles, if
Yeah.
you want to steal it, okay. If you potentially wanted to steal it, and it'll start right up.
Yeah, just unplug it.
All right, give us a break. We'll be right back.
Yeah. Okay, everybody, we're pretending this is the first startup.
No smoke in the shop.
All right, guys. First startup.
First try, first pull. Here we go.
Let's see what happens.
Oh yeah! Woo! Oh, we got no cones. Look at that.
You grab that bolt out of there, that clutch is gonna hit that thing.
A little smoky in there.
That didn't look good.
Very tight. Yeah, that's a little better.
Well, shoot.
You can take a zip tie.
You guys haven't heard this one run, but it is so loud. It's straight piped with like a 3-inch freaking. Okay, it's a triple, and then it's literally just a straight pipe. I put a baffle in here, and it made it a difference, but it's still so loud. It's so loud. Start it up for him, Mike.
Getting it in there, I had to really
I know you guys on YouTube, that really doesn't make a difference. That's why we're gonna have hearing problems when we're older.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, Colton, we're doing our review. Wow. What do you have to say? Let me kick the fan off, or that fan off. Okay, Colton. Are you happy? Are you displeased? Are you perturbed? Are you?
Oh man, I'm happy as can be.
What do you have left to do?
I mean, just clean up the rest of the panels, and I got to do a break-in cycle. I mean, obviously, I gotta run a full tank. You know, low RPMs.
What are you gonna do about?
Take it easy.
What are you gonna do about the coolant, because it's got straight coolant in it right now? You're just gonna drain some out? No, it's still like it's like almost perfectly at the full mark.
That's concentrated. It didn't have no water.
Well, we thought it was gonna take a lot more than it did.
You know what? I'm probably going to
Drain it and put water in it. That's what YouTube is gonna hear. You're gonna drain some. You're gonna drain some and put water in it. Do it the right way.
No, yeah, I'll probably pull this smaller hose here. This is a return line off the injector rail right here. This is right off the injector rail.
Bottoms.
Yep, cool the throttle bodies. I'll probably pull that and drain as much as I can, and then what I'll do is, you know, I'll either tape a funnel on it or something, but that feeds into a bucket, and then I might run it for a minute.
What are you gonna do about the brake line? You just gonna leave it?
So this is supposed to be under this guy, and it is not.
No, you know what? I just bought this really top of the line chain case oil. I really did. And also, I've never checked the brake fluid on this.
So you're gonna pull the hose off and rebleed them,
I
and
mean, I might as well.
Okay.
I mean, I gotta drain the chain case, and
okay.
I might as well. Grease them
What about your sway bar? Are you gonna disconnect that this year, or just leave it on there?
No, actually, I was told that from the boys down at the shop. I was told that a lot of people take that off because they want
The flexibility.
that flexibility. But what that does, that actually helps a lot more than versus when you take it off, because what it does is when you're side hilling, right? So say you're side hilling here, and I'm coming up on a hill on the left side. What it's going to do is it's going to pull that left ski up, but it's going to set that right ski down, right? So when you touch back down...
No, it doesn't. That's not how...
Yeah.
No, when you pull up on this ski, it pulls up on that ski as well.
Nope.
Unless that bar's got some insane
Nope.
freaking twist to it.
No, he said when it pulls up on that ski, it sets that one down.
That's not how a sway bar works.
What happens?
Yeah, what's your guys' opinion on the sway bar? Because in my opinion, if you're doing anything besides riding on the trails or like track or like the groom stuff, you take these off, because then why have it on there? But I guess
And not my opinion, but what I was told is it handles a lot better with that sway arm, and when this ski rises, say your left ski is rising, it's dropping your right ski.
see, and that's the opposite of why, because when you lift, when this gets tension on it, it's putting tension through this bar
Quit
to lift up.
explaining your opinion.
I'm not explaining my opinion.
one
I'm explaining
cares.
how a sway
It's
bar
your
works.
opinion.
It's
I'm
how
all
a
for
sway.
options, but I have to agree with
It's how a sway bar works. When you
Yeah,
put pressure
know
on
what?
that side, it
And
puts
I
pressure on that side.
I don't disagree with
Okay,
you.
so-
I'm just going off
Okay.
of what I was
Anyways,
told.
what's your guys' opinion? Because I've always, I mean, all of my sleds have already had them cut off of them. But what's your opinion? Would you cut it off, or would you leave it on there? What and why? And yeah, rant about it. I want to
us
hear
know.
it. Yeah,
Let us know.
yeah. All 30 of my viewers.
We're gonna read the hell
33
out
now.
of those
Oh,
comments.
33. No, I have 36 now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
It
36.
don't matter how many. This video could be the
nice.
one that blows up.
I'm gonna be really pissed if it does. Because
If it beats the Saturn engine removal, then
if you guys haven't seen the Saturn engine removal, you should go watch that one.
Hey,
there's nothing like a rebuilt engine.
I'm not gonna write.
Yeah, it's gonna tear.
Yeah, you are. Don't lie. You say you're gonna sell it. You're gonna get it out one time and be like, nah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep
It's gonna
it.
be 3 inches of
I'm
snow on
like,
the ground in a few days.
yeah,
And
I'm
it's like,
just gonna buy that other sled and keep this as a spare.
Probably. Okay. All right, we out. Thanks for watching.